Let's take up MCQ based on biomolecules. The substance which is responsible for conversion of glucose to glycogen is glucagon, adrenaline, insulin, none of these. Correct answer is insulin, which is a hormone. It converts glucose into glycogen. Chemically, enzymes are fatty acids, carbohydrates, phospholipids, proteins. Correct answer is proteins. Which of the following is not a test for proteins? Biuret test, Millen's test, Ninhydrin test, Mollis test. Correct answer is D part. Mollis test is for carbohydrate. All other tests are for proteins. Milk after digestion changes into lactose, fructose, glucose, none of these. Correct answer is C part, glucose. Adenosine is said to be nucleotide, nucleoside, purine base, pyrimidine base. Correct answer is nucleoside because it contains adenine as heterocyclic base and ribose sugar. The number of asymmetric carbon atoms in fructose are 5, 4, 3, 2. Correct answer is 4. Fructose has 4 asymmetric carbon atoms. Total number of atoms in the ring of pyranose 5, 6, 7, 4. Correct answer is 6. Pyranose structure has 6-membered ring, whereas furanose structure is 5-membered ring. Which is the function of proteins? They catalyze biochemical reaction, they act as hormone, they act as antibodies, all are correct. Answer is all are correct. Isoelectric point is the pH at which an amino acid behaves only as acid, it behaves only as base. Deuterion has dominant positive charge, deuterion has net zero charge. Correct answer is D part. Where positive and negative charge is equal, that pH is called isoelectric point. It has equal tendency of getting attracted towards cathode as well as anode. The purine base present in DNA is uracil, thymine, adenine, cytosine. Correct answer is C part, adenine. Which of the following is linear polymer? Glycogen, starch, amylopectin, amylose. Correct answer is amylose is linear polymer. The change in the optical rotation with time in freshly prepared solution of sugar is called specific rotation, inversion, rotatory motion, mutarotation. The correct answer is mutarotation. Glucose and fructose are tautomers, chain isomers, functional isomers, metamers. Correct answer is functional isomers because they differ in functional group. Glucose has aldehyde group, fructose has keto group. The reagent used to detect sugar in urine is Benedict's reagent, litmus solution, Brady's reagent, Pear's reagent. Correct answer is Benedict's reagent. Glucose present in urine will give brick red precipitate with Benedict's reagent. So A part is the correct answer. Which is the globular protein? Fibrin, myosin, myoglobin, collagen. Correct answer is C part. Myoglobin is globular proteins. Which is incorrect statement about denaturation of protein. The biological activity of protein is lost. The primary structure of protein does not change. Both are correct statement. Globular proteins are converted into fibrous proteins is correct. Fibrous proteins are converted into globular proteins is wrong. So D part is the incorrect statement. Which base is found only in nucleotides of DNA? Guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine. Correct answer is thymine. Is only found in DNA but not found in RNA. In RNA, uracil is present instead of thymine. The enzyme which converts glucose and fructose into ethyl alcohol is invertase? No. Zymase? Yes. Maltose? No. Diastase? No. B part is the correct answer. The lack of amino acid in diet leads to the disease pernicious anemia, sickle cell anemia, kwashiorkor, all of these. Correct answer is C part, kwashiorkor. Iron test is responded by glycogen, glucose, polypeptide, starch. Correct answer is starch. Starch forms a blue colored complex with iodine. Which is the sweetest sugar? Glucose, maltose, sucrose, fructose. Correct answer is fructose is the sweetest sugar. Which of the following reagents cannot distinguish between glucose and fructose? Ferric solution, Tollens reagent, Benedict's reagent, all of these. Correct answer is all of these cannot be used to distinguish between glucose and fructose. Both respond to all these three tests. because they are reducing sugars. Which of the following amino acid is achiral or optically active? Alanine, valine, proline. Achiral means not optically active. Correct answer is D part. All are optically active. None of these is achiral or are chiral. Which of the following is fibrous proteins? Albumin, enzyme, keratin, hemoglobin. Correct answer is keratin is the fibrous protein. Which is the correct statement? Amylose is a component of cellulose. Starch is a polymer of alpha glucose. Hormones can never be a polypeptide. In cyclic structure of fructose, there are 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Correct answer is B part is only the correct statement. All other statements are wrong. The number of amino acids found in proteins that human body can synthesize is 5, 10, 20, 14. Correct answer is 10. 10 amino acids can be synthesized by body which are non-essential, whereas 10 amino acids must be part of our diet because they cannot be synthesized by our body. Which natural polymer is used in making rayon, nylon, starch, cellulose, polyester? Correct answer is cellulose. A violet color is obtained when dilute CuSO4 is added to alkaline solution of protein. This test is known as Millen's test, xanthoprotic test, biuret test. None of these. Correct answer is biuret test. In lactose, the reducing part is galactose, glucose, fructose, mannose. Correct answer is B part, that is glucose. Lactose is made up of galactose and glucose is the reducing part.